Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back and a happy new year to you all. I'm so excited. 2024 was a challenging year in a lot of ways, so I'm hoping that 2025 is going to bring us all some peace and some love and laughter and lots of happiness. So happy new year, and let's paint something fun. Tonight we're doing a nice big 36 by 36. You guys know how much I like these big ones. It's a lot of fun for me. It's a very big invitation to play and get creative and to move stuff around and really stretch it out, and I really love that. So I love that size. That's a 36 by 36. Let me show you my colors, because we have a beautiful new color tonight that I've never played with before. This is one of the new This Little Piggy pigments. This is Limeade. Not lemonade, but Limeade. And I love that color. I think it's so pretty. And I'm really super excited about using it. So thank you, This Little Piggy. We're going to try out Limeade. Okay, so the first one here is the Limeade. And I have mixed this up with my Tipsy Piggy recipe, which is my Golden's Gel Gloss and American Floetrol. And I've dispersed the pigments in a little bit of isopropyl alcohol first, and then just add that to my pouring medium. And there we go. So this one actually is Limeade, but I added 1 drop of turquoise to it. And it just gave it a little bit more of a green tint, which is fine. So I'm very excited about this one. So that's the Limeade from This Little Piggy Pigments. This one is Golden's Payne's Gray. Love this color. We're using a kind of slightly thinner consistency for me, because we are going to be doing a straight pour from up high, and we want to get those beautiful wispy bits. So I've watered these down a few times. This one's still looking a smidge thick actually, but just sinking into itself pretty quickly. Okay, that's the Payne's Gray. This one is one of my favorite colors ever, Golden's Turquoise Pthalo. Happiness in a cup. Just beautiful. I love it. Alright. Does anybody else find it hard to stop mixing? Okay, this one is not pearl yellow. This is actually Amsterdam pearl green. Excited about this one. I think this is going to be fantastic next to the Paynes and the turquoise, and I'm very excited. It's a very subtle shift, but you can definitely see it. Like even now, just with the lights shining in, I can see like a green tint. Can you, HOA? On the stick? Probably not. It's okay. Okay, this is our DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics 24 karat gold. My beautiful showgirl. Amazing. Okay, and we have here, this is Chromacryl white. Okay, so because we are using a 36 by 36, I think we need about 45 ounces of paint. So as much as I love Fiona's darling split cup, I don't want to fill it up 3 times. So we're going to use this Big Mama, this awesome one that I love, that makes me smile every time I see it. I think it was kind of like a joke, but it's actually quite useful to me, and I love this thing. And this one's pretty easy to wash because it's got the chambers in there. This one is from acrylicpouringtools.com from Tracy Reed and her awesome husband. And I like it. So this is our 60-ounce split cup. It's got my name on it. It says HOA on there too. But this one is 60 ounces. And you can check out her website, which is on Etsy also, or you can check out acrylicpouringtools.com. So we're going to fill this up right now, actually. Okay, I know what I want to do. I want to put the turquoise in on one side. Okay, and we're going to use the pearl green right next to that, because that's really pretty, where it like makes that inner little feathering effect against the other color. And because these are so high contrast, it's going to look really cool. Okay, in the center chamber, we're going to stack the white and the gold. So there's a little bit of white, a little bit of gold. And I think I've decided, after stacking things several times now, that slightly thinner layers are probably a little more visible rather than the very thick layers that I had done. So If you want your colors to show up a little more, use smaller layers and more of them. That's probably a lot of white. Okay. And then on this side, we're going to put that beautiful limeade in this chamber. Okay. And then we're going to put the Payne's gray on the other side. So that limeade is going to be on the inside of the Payne's gray feathers. It's going to be really pretty. Okay, I'm excited about this one. I think we need a little bit more turquoise. Just to even it out. Okay. Alright. And pour into a puddle of that. I also want to put a little bit of limeade on top of that. Make sure you see it. And we're going to pour into this. Okay. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Okay, here we go. We're going to stay up high, and we're going to make sure that we keep the back end of the cup tilted as we pour so that we get a nice steady stream. All right, here we go. This is some drips from the last several pours mixed up over and over and thinned out. This is a flow extender. This is really pretty though, I'm happy about this.
Blast some of that heat over here, will you?
Okay, so while we were layering the cup, we were talking about the feathers on top of other colors, and this is what I meant right in here, where we have that Payne's and the turquoise and that pearl yellow and gold, or I'm sorry, pearl green and gold, and then in here we have the limeade. I can see it, it's really cool, and there's more in there, there's some in here, and along this side, and it's really pretty, and then around this edge too. So this is cool. I'm very happy. Let's tilt it out. Let's see what happens. Okay. Let's see, what do I like the most? I like all of them actually. Okay, we're gonna anchor that top corner first because I like it, and the weight of the paint is there, or easy to get there. Lock this down. It's really cool. Like it. All right. All right, so this is pretty cool, I think. I'm pretty happy with this. I think we got a lot of beautiful wispy lines. Those colors are amazing. I love the turquoise and the Paynes together, and the limeade is really, really pretty. This part in here where the limeade is against that Paynes, it's just it's so beautiful. So this is awesome, and in here, it's a really cool effect.